This video highlights the wide range of inclusions or particulates that Hank's Brokerage offers for baked goods. If you're wondering how to get the right amount of texture and moisture content in your product without sogginess, fruit sinking, or dyeing your batter, then keep watching. We used blueberries from our fruit suppliers and made muffins as a means of discussing the differences between each supplier. These inclusions can work in both chemical and yeast leaven baked goods. Connect with your Hank's Brokerage representative to explore the best solution for your application. For this demonstration, we used a store-bought muffin mix, with the only variable being the type of blueberry inclusion added to each batch. A control sample was also baked to showcase the ideal crumb structure. Each batch was evenly portioned at 10 ounces and included 1/3 cup of blueberry inclusions to highlight how the inclusions perform during baking. While this demonstration focuses on blueberries, the suppliers featured in this video offer a wide variety of fruit options and piece sizes to suit different applications. Now that they are baked, let's talk about the differences in functionality that each fruit can bring to your application. IQF fruit is a trusted staple in bakery applications, offering consistency and convenience. We work with multiple partners to source IQF options and can help evaluate cost and freight to find the solution that best fits your needs. Sun-dried fruits are versatile and can be used in dry, refrigerated, or frozen applications. Their blueberries can be added directly to batter or rehydrated for use in fillings. Multiple piece sizes are available, along with options for natural, no sugar added or infused products. The sun-drying process intensifies the fruit's natural flavor, delivering a robust, concentrated burst in every bite. The benefit of using micro-dried fruits in baking applications is that it offers a lower cost for your piece count without the waste or storage challenges. They also offer a validated 5-log reduction, making them ideal for ready-to-eat applications. Both Trena and micro-dried offer low minimum order quantities. CII Foods food particulates add flavor, color, and character to numerous food applications. Unlike most fat-based and sugar-based particles, flavor bites can stand up to heat, moisture, and are shelf-stable. These flavor bites can be customized for your particular application to adjust for size, color, flavor, melt, or any ingredient or regulatory restrictions that you may have. Of course, we can always help top-note any of these applications with the use of natural or artificial flavors or juice concentrates. In addition, we have numerous other solutions in our portfolio to allow for a ready-made solution, such as fruit, cream, or any ready-to-use filling. We hope this has been helpful. Please feel free to reach out with any questions.